In teaching executive leadership, one of the books I used extensively was Peter Senge and the Fifth Discipline, where he talks about the importance of personal mastery, team learning, shared vision, mental models, and then systems thinking, pulling it all together. Personal mastery being really individually improving what we do as an organization to help individuals improve, do better, take their weaknesses and address them, build on their strengths, individually improving and becoming more skilled. Team learning, the whole organization working together, recognizing the importance of developing their team skills, of collaborating more, making maximum use of their talents, listening to each other better. A lot of things you can do to improve team learning that Senge really emphasized. Shared vision, critical to putting together and making progress towards improving an organization. Then shared vision, Senge really emphasized the importance that everybody on board have that vision in mind, that you're all collectively together working towards that vision that you're trying to accomplish. Mental models, those built-in assumptions, pictures that we all have. When we look at something, something automatically flashes based on our experiences and the opportunities, the issues we've dealt with. You look at something, but we all have different pictures, and how important it is to understand the impact of mental models and the different mental models each of us have in terms of working together. And then systems, pulling it all together. Systems thinking in terms of seeing the big picture, looking more long range. One of the things that Senge pointed out was too often we just go from looking at an event to the next event. You look at what's right in front of you, not seeing patterns or looking at that long range picture. And one of the examples I've used in class is a simple intersection. Maybe it's a four-way stop. And from an event point of view, there's an accident there, and you look at that event. Who was speeding? Who hit who? Estimate how fast. Looking at the skid marks to get a sense of who reacted the fastest, what speed they were coming, etc. Looking at that event. Then to look at it a little more extensively and really learn what's going on at that four-way stop, patterns. How often do we have accidents? When do they typically happen? That sort of thing. You learn a little more in terms of evaluating that intersection as it relates to safety and improvements you might want to make. And if you really want to look at it from a systems point of view, then you take in everything from the topography to what's in the area, traffic flows, maybe a business with a lot of truck traffic at a particular hour in which deliveries are made, or when trucks leave to distribute products or whatever. You look at that whole picture, anything that can impact that intersection, then you're looking at it from a systems point of view. Blind spots, better views, anything that might in any way impact what goes on at that intersection. And Senge's point is that's where we need to be. That's what we need to be looking at. Seeing things from a systems point of view so that we don't just deal with a symptom of a problem, we get at a root cause. And in the consequence of doing that, we have a better result, we avoid mistakes that backfire, etc. Putting ourselves in a better position to move forward, using a combination of things. As he said, it's important individually how we personally improve. It's important how we as a team come together and learn and develop how we can work together, that we develop a shared vision, that we understand the impact of mental models, and then always be thinking systems-wide in terms of seeing that big picture, seeing things more long range.